By the end of this video, you will know how to email customer statements in QuickBooks Online. Start from the left menu in QuickBooks Online and click Customer Hub. This opens the area where customer activity and account details are organized. Once you are in Customer Hub, select customers to move into the full customer list. From there, find the customer you want to send a statement to and open that customer record. This takes you into the customer profile, where you can work with transactions and account history tied to that specific customer. Make sure you have opened the correct customer before continuing, especially if several names in your list look similar. Inside the customer record, click New Transaction. A menu will appear with different transaction options. From that menu, select Statement. This opens the Statement Setup screen for the customer you chose. In the Statement screen, choose the statement type, then set the statement date and the date range. These selections control what appears on the statement and the time period it covers, so it is worth pausing here to confirm that the dates match what you want to send. If you are sending a statement for a particular billing period, review the range carefully before moving on. After those fields are set, review the statement details on screen. Look through the information that QuickBooks Online includes for the customer and confirm that the statement reflects the activity you want to email. This is the point where you can catch a date range that is too broad, a statement type that does not match your purpose, or any detail that does not look right before the email window opens. When the statement details look correct, click Save and Send. QuickBooks Online will then open the email view for that statement, so you can check the delivery information before sending it out. In the email window, confirm the customer's email address. Do not read or enter any private contact details aloud if you are following along in a shared setting. Just verify that the address shown is the correct one for the customer account you are working with. If needed, edit the message that will go with the statement. You can adjust the wording so the email fits the situation while keeping the statement itself attached through QuickBooks Online. Once the email address and message are ready, click Send. QuickBooks Online will send a customer statement using the details you just reviewed. At that point, the statement has been created, saved, and emailed directly from the customer record. Your customer statement has now been emailed from QuickBooks Online.